Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DaVinci Resolve for HDR grading sessions, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Wait for the software to load completely. On the main interface, locate the Login section. Click on the Login button to proceed. Enter your username in the designated field. Input your password in the following field. If you have a two-factor authentication enabled, check your device for the code. Enter the code in the provided space. Ensure that you have the correct project settings for HDR grading. Navigate to the project you want to open or create a new one. Click on the Edit workspace to begin your session. Configure the color management settings for HDR. Select the appropriate color space suitable for your HDR workflow. Now, import your HDR footage into the media pool. Drag the imported footage to your timeline. Begin your grading process by adjusting contrast, saturation, and highlights. Utilize the color wheels and curves for precise adjustments. Constantly monitor the HDR scopes to ensure proper range and balance. Make sure to save your project frequently during your session. When finished, export your graded footage using the HDR settings. Close the application once you have completed your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.